Hi, besties! Welcome to Bestie Budget Diaries. My name is KM, your goal setting, money stuffing bestie based here in Japan. Dito sa channel, samahan ninyo akong mag-allocate ng sweldo natin into different budget envelopes every payday. Besties, this is not about flexing and there's no pressure here. Nandito lang tayo para ipaalala na bawat sahod ay biyaya at responsibility natin na maging magaling na stewards ng ating financial blessings. Real wins, real goals. And yes, a little bit of fangirling energy along the way. So, ready ka na? Let's stuff these envelopes together. Let's go! Number one is offering and giving. The first envelope goes to offering and giving kasi lagi kong inuuna si Lord. Kasi lahat ng biyaya ay galing sa Kanya. Number two naman ay rent. So obviously, since nakatira ako dito sa Japan ng mag-isa lang, kailangan magbabayad ako ng renta buwan-buwan. Next naman ay utilities. Water, electricity, Wi-Fi, gas, check, 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 and check. Credit card. Sobrang blessed lang din ako kasi I'm able to pay off everything na na-spend ko last month. So no guilty, just responsibility. Para sa pamilya or remittance envelope. Alam mo, bestie, iba talaga yung saya kapag nakakapagpadala ka sa pamilya mo. Parang presence mo na rin ang maiuwi mo sa kanila. And transportation would be the next one on the list. So, transportation, bus, train, subway. So, covered yan. Thank you, Manaka. Smooth ang biyahe, walang hassle. Next naman ay tax fund. So, lahat tayo ay nagbabayad ng tax. Hindi exciting pero part ng being responsible para hindi stressful kapag dumating na yung billing day. Monthly allowance. So, para sa daily gastos ko dito sa Japan. And next naman ay emergency fund. Hindi siya masyadong exciting pero super important kasi the future me will thank me for this. Yan. Next naman ay ang Japan investments. So, alam mo naman, kahit papano, maliit, basta consistent, tuloy-tuloy lang ang growth. And blessing lang din na bukod pa sa Japan investments, meron akong Philippine digital investments. So same principle din, bestie. Maliit man o malaki, basta consistent kasi future self natin ang magbe-benefit dito. Ang next naman ay Project Suri. Secret mission muna ito, bestie. Pero abangan mo kasi this is going to be major. Ang next naman ay travel fund. So, dito nakalagay yung mga places na gusto kong puntahan. So, tapos na ako sa Tottori. Ang next naman is Kanazawa and Fukui. Ito naman ay dito ko kinukuha kung saan yung gagastusin ko sa aking mga travels. Ito naman ang favorite category ko, buffer money na kung saan dito kinukuha lahat ng joy and functional wants ko. Nabili ko na last month yung Anchor earphones na gusto kong bilhin and this month naman yung Nike Motiva shoes. The point is, if you plan for it, you can enjoy it guilt-free. Ayos ba? Next naman, ang pinag-iipunan ko mommy's 60th birthday na possibly, prayerfully dito sa Japan mangyari. Gusto ko lang makasiguro na kapag dumating yung araw, handa ako kasi celebration din yon of all her love and sacrifices. And ito naman, special to, My Chemical Romance concert in Philippine Arena. Nasa college ako nung naging listener ako ng My Chemical Romance. Thanks to my younger brother na lagi nagpapatugtog sa bahay. Overtime naging fight song ko sila. Lalo na nung nagtatransition ako dito sa Japan. Kaya ito, isa sa mga concerts na kahit saan dadayuin ko talaga just to see them live. So that's it for today's stuffing session, bestie. Remember, budgeting is not about restriction, it's about alignment. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me every payday as we stuff these envelopes together. See you on the next one, bestie. Bye!